If you're still paying over $1,000 just for a phone with a fruit logo on the back, it's time to wake up. The Redmi K80 Ultra is about to redefine what a flagship phone should be. Premium build, stunning design, powerful internals. All without the premium price tag, this isn't a budget killer. It's a flagship disruptor. What I'm holding in my hand is the upcoming Redmi K80 Ultra in Moonrock White, but don't be fooled by the name. It's not a plain white. It has a texture similar to ceramic tiles or the polished quartz countertops you find in modern kitchens. It doesn't just look clean. It feels luxurious and it resists fingerprints like a pro. Now take a look at the camera module it carries. Forward the design language of the K80 series, but this time there's more refinement. A metallic ring surrounds the camera unit, designed like a graduated watch bezel. The entire rear panel is a two-tone masterpiece that oozes precision and style. Hold the phone and you'll notice something else: the curved metal frame. The transition from the frame to the back panel is seamless. It's not sharp, not blocky, it's soft and sculpted just right. The phone nestles comfortably in your hand, and the rounded corners make the grip even better. Even though this is a Redmi phone, the build quality feels nothing short of premium. Now let's talk about size and weight. With the factory screen protector still applied, the K80 Ultra weighs 222.5 grams. It has some heft, and that's mostly thanks to its large battery, but the weight is evenly balanced, and at just 8.34 millimeters thick, it's impressively slim for a phone packing this much power. The display is where things get serious. The bezels are incredibly narrow, and what's more impressive is that they're visually equal on all. For sides, that kind of symmetry is something you usually only see on top-tier flagships. The result is a clean, immersive screen that instantly pulls you in. Let's put it next to the regular K80. You'll see right away, the K80 Ultra is a size larger, but not overwhelmingly so. It feels more expansive, more premium, more like a true flagship device. The display quality, the edge uniformity, everything about it screams high dash and. Now think about this. You're getting a refined design, textured back, a near bezel-less screen, a solid metal frame, and a large battery, all packed into a phone that's still accessible to most people. It's not just about specs anymore. It's about how the phone feels, looks, and performs in everyday life. From every angle, the K80 Ultra looks and feels like a phone that should cost double its price. Redmi has managed to blur the line between mid-range and premium. This isn't about cutting corners, it's about raising standards, and this is just the start. We haven't even gone into performance benchmarks, camera capabilities, or charging speeds yet, but based on this first impression, one thing's clear: the K80 Ultra means business. If you're tired of overpriced phones and you want something that delivers real value, real style, and real innovation, this is the phone to watch.